So first thing is to make sure that you're getting power from your wall outlet by hooking up your multimeter into your power cord and setting your multimeter to AC voltage, and you should be getting 120 volt. Next thing to do, if that's good, is to take off the bottom of your machine. So lay the machine either on its face, or you could lay the machine on its back, and then unscrew the 4 rubber feet that will be here and the 2 Allen screws if you have it there. Alright, so once you open the back off here, you'll see this is a very short cable. It's a blue and brown wire. Just pull it and disconnect it. And then, by the way, do this all up to this point. Make sure you have no power going on the machine. And then take your power cord and plug your power cord into the side there. And then we'll leave the AC voltage on your multimeter and measure this here. See if we can. I have to go this side here. Don't want to shock myself. Ah. We're there. See how we're measuring that? And we're also getting the 120 volts. Alright, so we're supposed to be getting that, so that's good. Now what we want to do is maybe disconnect the power for this part. Plug this back on. Very short wire. Okay, let's do that. We will come around this side. We have these 2 wires here. Notice they're on the center 2 connections. So we've got the 2 middle ones there. And while it's still... can that touch that?
No, it can't. It'll fry if you plug it in.
Okay, so don't let the metal part touch the casting at all. You have to prop it up in such a way where only the black bottom is connected. Or put something in between there or something. Maybe even let it hang like this. Right? Okay.
Yeah, it's better.
So set your multimeter to voltage DC instead of AC this time. And we'll measure. See how the black is on the top and the red is on the bottom. So the 2 middle pins, there's 8 pins here, 2 middle ones. So make sure you have power going in now. I'll plug my power back in.
So basically, what we're doing.
Should see a green light. And my multimeter over there is reading 24 volts. So that's where you want to measure. and the multimeter read 24 volts, so that's good. So now we know our power board is working correctly. We know that we have AC going in and DC coming out. So this is the DC going outside and the other side is the AC going in. So that's all. It's a little bit tricky to measure because of the short cable, and make sure that none of the metal parts touch any of the metal parts on the machine. See how we kind of have it cocked like that?
On the power board, I'll touch.
All right, there you go then. Thank you. Go ahead and show me putting that back on. I'll record that for the night. Put this back.